Welcome to 1370 Brook Street, apartment number M. We walked in the entrance and we were in the living room, walking out to the nice patio. Great place to sit in the summertime and have a cool one. Very relaxing view. Really nice sized living room. That's a wood-burning fireplace. And as we go back towards the entrance where we came in, we have a coat closet on the left and the most important door, laundry room, 2 full-size machines near the entrance. Around the corner, we have a good size dining area and a very nice kitchen, fridge, stove, dishwasher, and a pantry through the door in the end. And as we go down the hallway, the first door on the left is the full bath, tub and shower. And as we walk to the second bedroom, we're going to pass the linen closet. And this is a really nice size bedroom. Big closet on the end. And as we pass out through it, we pass the thermostat, central heat, central air. And now we're in the principal bedroom. Bring your king-size bed. And off the side, we have a large walk-in closet. And here we have the second bathroom, nice and private for you. So that's 1370 Brook Street, apartment number M, 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, very close to Randall Road and Main Street. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We'd love to show it to you in person. Or visit the website, 1350brook.com, 1350brook.com. Thanks and have a great day.